Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Nick from PulseRoller's Tech Support. In this video we're going to be going over how to use the new scope feature in EasyRoll Plus. Let's get started. So first thing we'll do is discover modules, and we'll see all of our connected modules here. We'll go to scope function, and what we're going to do is add a channel. This will allow us to designate a register that we would like to track. And add channel. First thing we'll do is select the module that we want to designate. Give it a channel name. I'm going to go with left MDR current. Next we have type. So normally you'll leave this as unsigned 2 bytes. This is the single register that you're designating. We also have signed 2 bytes. This is only if you need to read a value from negative 32,000 to positive 32,000, something like a position register. We have unsigned 4 bytes, which would be this register and the next sequential register, as well as signed 4 bytes, which is this register plus the next sequential register for the values. We're going to designate the register that we would like to view, which, as we can see here in the manual, the left motor current is register 55. So just add in 55. We can also add a mask if we wanted to mask out certain bits. That really won't apply to this. But I will use a divider, so that way we can turn the milliamp reading into full amperage by dividing by 1000. Sample time. I'll set this as 10 milliseconds, a good sample time. Default minimum will be 0. Default maximum, let's set it for 4, since we'll be running an eco, shouldn't reach 4 amps. We'll add channel, and start. Now I'm just going to run the motor, and give it a little bit of a torque spike there. So what I can do is save data, and what this will do is create a bin file, which is an image of this graph right now. And then I can send that to a technician to help troubleshoot, and I'm actually going to simulate that right now. And now when I import the data, I can see that graph exactly as it was when it was saved from its live recording. Be sure to follow PulseRoller on YouTube for other videos on how to use EasyRoll and ConveyLinx products. Have a great day.